Hey guys, Lucky here, and today's video is gonna be a fun one. So I have a friend named Allie who has a little Etsy store called alysprout Studio. If you want to check it out, look over here or down below. But she sent me some really cute goodies. She reached out to me and was like, oh hey, I want to send you some earrings. I'm like, they're really cute, guys. I gotta pick out a couple, and I don't know how many she sent me, and I was really honored that she even decided to send me any, because I'm like, oh, it's so cute. So her store consists of a lot of anime-inspired jewelry, or even normal, like, elegant jewelry, which I will pop some images around here. And she also does cosplay like props and patterns, which is really cool. So she has some things for like the sailor uniform, and one of the big ones is the toga blood machine. So the one you always see in my toga videos is actually made by her. So if you want to check out the pattern for that, you should definitely check out her store because it exists there as well. Yeah, so she sent me a couple goodies. I'm here to open them. I was really excited. Don't exactly know what she sent me, but I'm really excited anyways. But yeah, let's open her up. Nicely packaged, really excited. Look how cute this is. So the first one I think I'll open is this one. I know what this one is. It's the Akatsuki no Yona inspired earrings that Yona wears. So these little like jade drops with these gold tassels. Look how gorgeous that is, guys. Super pretty. So what I love about her jewelry too is they're not super, like, if you're a weeb and you know anime and you know where it comes from, you'll know. But if you were just to see it, I've seen people wear similar earrings to this, like very artsy earrings, and you wouldn't even know. And so it's very casual, which I love about these. So I'm gonna try these on really quick. I have a huge collection of like anime earrings, and even at my workplace, a lot of them will see me change my earrings quite often. They're like, oh, you got a new set of earrings, or oh, another pair of earrings, those are really cute. Now I have more, and I'm really excited. So let's hook these on. They're these little hook earrings. So they just slide right in. That's one. Oh, that's really, I'm looking in the mirror, guys, but oh, it's so cute. And let me do the other one. They all come with back stoppers, so a little piece of like silicone rubber kind of thing to help, prevent it from slipping out. I don't actually usually wear them because I've never really had an issue, but I would still suggest doing it. I'm so lazy. That's what they look like, guys. So if I were to pull my hair up like that, I think they're super cute. They're really good quality. Like there's a nice shine to the little jewel right here, and then the tassels are really nice. They're not like cheap tassels, I guess. I could totally see me just wearing this out. Like it doesn't look super like anime weeby. Like it doesn't scream it, but it looks, certain outfits definitely could pull this off. So love these ones so much. They're super cute. So I'm pretty sure most of these earrings are still available in her store. I would have to probably like double check for my knowledge right now. Most of these are still in her store. So if you want to check any of these earrings out, I'll link them down below so you can check them out as well. So the next one is this. Can you guess what this is? It's a Studio Ghibli, the little bath tokens from the Spirited Away. They're super cute. I love Spirited Away. It's definitely one of like my top ones of all time. And let's put them on. And I love that they're not like too big or too small. So like, I think they're appropriately sized, because sometimes some people make earrings that are just too big, and I don't think they like work well because then it just takes away from everything else. But these are super cute because they're like they're not too small, but you definitely can see them. If I'm struggling, it's because sometimes I can't find the hole. Ooh! Okay, I'll put my hair back. I think you guys can kind of see that. They look like that. Kind of nice having a white background. But they're super cute. I love the little dangle. They're not heavy. So I forgot to mention the tassel ones from Yona earlier are also not heavy. They're very light, and so are these. Like they're pieces of like plastic, but they're very well made, and like there's no smudging. And I like how they don't match. So it's cute. Like it's really cute. I think I would also wear these probably like regularly because they're just a pop of color. I love it. So like I'm wearing like all black. I think this would be really cute with an outfit. So good little color. But yeah, really like these. Quality so far is outstanding, Allie. You are blowing me away with these. Next is, oh, these ones. I think these are from Fairy Tale. from Erza Scarlet. These are super nice. These also very casual, which I love. I think all of our earrings are casual, guys, which is great, but you can't tell. And I feel like people would just wear these and they wouldn't even know. So these are little hook ones. So if you see right here, they look like that. And so they're these little hook ones, and I don't know if they're magnetic because the clasp is going in and it's just retracting really quick. So it's kind of nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. There you go. Super casual, kind of edgy. I love them. They almost look like kunai. I think she does have a pair of those too. I can't remember exactly, but they're really cute if you can see. And yeah, they're like, these are definitely a little more subtle than the other two. The other two are like definitely more like Asian oriented. So I think they're really cute. They're very, yeah, very casual. I love them. Oh, they feel really nice. Some things I have problems with that are they're a little too like close to my, they hug a little too tight, but these are actually very comfortable. But yeah, I like them. I definitely think this is one of my favorite pairs. I would probably wear this like all the time. Super cute. They're not too heavy either, which is kind of nice because they are metal. So you'd expect sometimes metal earrings to be a little heavier, but they're not. So really appreciate that in quality wise. And the next one is, oh, it's a surprise one. I actually didn't mention this one to her, but I don't think I've seen these on our store. So these, surprise, Allie. But they're these little Sakura blossoms. There's these little pink Sakura blossoms. Yeah, I don't think I've seen these on our store, but they're super cute. Whoa, oh my goodness. Bruh. So they're really pretty. They're long dangles. I think they're, yeah, they're the gold little like hooks. Yeah, definitely love the spring theme for this one. It's really pretty. Ah, there you go. But very smooth. And this is how they look. So yeah, there are quite a few on there and it's really pretty. It's kind of like, it's like very elegant and delicate at the same time. They're a little bigger than I would have like expected. So I wouldn't exactly know how to pair this like right now, just because a lot of my wardrobe is super like very casual. I feel like this is something that would go a lot more, like a lot better with something a little more like floral. I don't have that much like cute dresses or something to go with this, but I really do like them. Very pretty. I think I would have liked the petals to be a little smaller, but that's just me because there are quite a bit of them on there. But otherwise, they're really pretty. I love the touch of color. So yeah, what do you guys think with this one? Ew. I had like a triple chin there, guys. So yeah, that was like my try on for the first couple. I think because I still have 3 more to do, and she did let me know that she sent me the Howl or the Pendragon collection of her sets, so I'm really excited to see that. So stay tuned for that video too. That should be coming up within the next week or so as well. But yeah, I just wanted to say a big thank you to Allie so far because these earrings are gorgeous. Definitely recommend you checking her out for any of your like cosplay needs or just jewelry, because these are definitely beautiful pieces, and I'm very honored to have such a like talented and creative friend. But yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which was your favorite pair of earrings so far. And see you guys next time. Bye!